So, got the Jeep behind me here, and I want to test out Turtle Wax's Headlight Lens Restore, but I'm going to take it up a notch. I'm going to go ahead and use a buffer wheel instead of a microfiber to apply this product, just because I want to see what kind of results we get. Okay. So, it's clean. I used oh, I just got the pad all dirty. I used some clay. That's what it was. I used clay. Okay, so can you even see that? Kinda. The lighting isn't great. Oh. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of this on the pad. But there's a safety seal. Oh, there's a safety seal. Okay, safety seal's gone. I'm just gonna do 3 droplets. So I need to save some for the other side as well. Got my cordless drill, and let's see how well this works. There's one. That's step 1 done. I didn't really prepare for this, to be honest. Just kind of a random microfiber. Wipe it. Alright, that does actually look a little better already. Interrupting the video. This is the sanding block they provide, and then you wet sand it. So I'm gonna go ahead, spray the surface, and use their sanding block. Well, now it's more of a unified haze. Spray it down again, and use side number 2. Well, it looks better. Then they give you a ceramic wipes, which then I believe, I'm gonna wipe off the surface real fast. I just sprayed a isopropyl rubbing alcohol solution to wipe off any oils that would be left over. Yeah, it was pretty funny because we painted the signs that we made, the WIU metal sign things, and he was like, make sure you spray rubbing isopropyl alcohol, and then wipe it off and let it dry, and like prep the surface. And I was like, I know all this stuff.
Yeah, you've done it.
Yeah. Anyway, this isn't new to me. All right, now we can use the wipe. So we clean and corrected. You're supposed to use a plastic glove. Quickly coat both lenses with an even back and forth motion. Allow 3 to 5 minutes for headlights to dry. Coating will fully cure in 24 hours. So the only thing it's kind of weird to me is like it doesn't look smooth. Alright, we'll let it dry. See what it looks like in 5 minutes. Come back in 5 minutes. Okay, there might be a little bit of wind noise, but I pulled out in the sun so you can see a little bit better. It definitely looks better. It's still not perfect. There's still quite a bit of hazing and stuff. I think I need to reapply the ceramic right here. So if you look here, it looks almost wet. Here it looks more dry. I have to reapply it right there. But my plan, I'm going to pull the Jeep back up, but I'm going to go ahead. Oh wow, that looks, compared to this, wow, that looks way worse. But I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to pull it up. I don't know what sand, what grit those sandpaper blocks are, so I'm going to go ahead and try my own. I'm going to do an 800, 1000, and then a 2500 maybe, and we'll see what my sanding looks like. Alright, so I got my 800 on my makeshift sanding block. Just use my green scrubbery as a sanding block. You want a soft surface so that you don't create any deeper scratches by pushing down too hard. So I'm going to go ahead and wet sand with an 800 grit. Okay, look at all that. I'm going to go ahead and refill this. I'll be right back. So you can see once it dries, you get a much more uniform haze, and that's actually what you want. Go ahead and switch over to the 1000 grit now. Same process applies. Wet it down. Trying to wipe off all this runoff. Let that dry and see what it looks like. Alright, so now you can see a very uniform haze. That's what you want. So now we're going to go ahead and use the McGuire's pad. Not the McGuire's, the Turtle Wax. Honestly, I don't know what grit that is. It's not very strong. It's got to be pretty high. So go ahead and re-wet it and keep going. Move on to number 2. I'll see where we're at here in a second. Go ahead and dry it. Alright, we'll let it dry. Alright, I got a new, I think it's wool. Isn't that wool, you think? That's usually what they are. But got a new wool wheel. I'm going to use Meguiar's 105.
I mean, it might be synthetic, but
Yeah,
that's still a wool style wheel.
Yeah, I agree. It's kind of too soft to be real
Actual
wool. Yeah.
Sheepskin. Maybe it's sheepskin.
Maybe it's sheepskin.
Sheep hide. No, sheep.
Definitely not
Wool.
sheep.
Sheep wool. Not sheepskin.
Anyway, got some on there. Smeared around. Let's see how she corrects. Here we go. That should be good. Alright, go ahead and wipe her. That looks funny. Go ahead and wipe it off, see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's looking pretty good. Not too shabby. Ah, wind, no, it's coming into the barn. The wind's coming into the barn.
What?
Hi.
What you doing?
Correcting her headlight.
Wow.
That one I used the kit on from Turtle Wax, and this
Okay.
one's my own.
Ah.
So now I'm gonna go, I think I'm gonna use like an orange pad from this bag. Alright, I got 205 on the orange pad. We're gonna see, oh, that's kind of funny. We're gonna see how it turns out. Go ahead and wipe the headlight. Yeah. Yeah, that already looks better. Much more vibrant. I'm gonna go ahead and okay, let that dry. Got quite a mess over here now. Went ahead and threw the windsock on, and I put everything away and wrapped everything up. And it's sitting outside right now, so we'll go ahead and reveal what my headlight looks like in comparison to the Turtle Wax, the headlight. I think you'll like mine more. Alright, here we go. Turtle Wax. Yeah, it looks better for sure. My headlight. And I just, you know, what you see, well, basically, it's clear. Still, you know, needs to cure, but it's really interesting on where, you know, these little micro marring, it's totally smooth. So you'd probably have to take it down with like a who knows, like a 300, I don't know. But anyway, the turtle wax is a great little kit to start out on if you don't want to have, if you don't want to buy separate sandpaper, you don't want to use the Meguiar's 105, 205, you don't want to use a big, a buffer. It's just a, it's a great little, a kit, to start out on. It has its weaknesses. The side definitely doesn't look as good. I think part of it is how I applied that ceramic. Maybe I missed a spot up here. Maybe it didn't, soak it in compared to this side. It makes sense that this side looks better because it soaked more in because I removed more, so there's more to, go in. I don't know. Anyway, well, it's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, I don't really care.